Hey there, discoverers! After an amazing time discovering Ravello, we trekked onwards for 3.5 hours into the Puglia region of Italy for sightseeing and for a wedding. We stayed in Bisceglie, a quiet coastal town that wouldn't have been on our radar otherwise, but quickly captivated us with its old world charm, relaxing beaches, and delicious food. Stick around for some amazing destinations in Puglia. Oh, and stick around until the end of this vlog because we'll be showing you one of the most surprising natural wonders in southern Italy. Catch you soon! After an amazing time in Ravello, we made our way to Puglia. Not for sightseeing at first, but to connect with family. We stayed in Bisceglie, a coastal town that wasn't on our radar, but quickly captivated us with its old world charm. Relaxing beaches and delicious food. Bisceglie is a historic town and located along the Adriatic coast in the Puglia region. It dates back to the Norman period and has a charming old town with narrow alleys, medieval churches, and Baroque balconies. Some of the highlights include Cathedral of San Pietro, the harbor, and the local artisan shops. Nico brought us to discover the old town, starting with the cathedral, a Romanesque beauty built in the 11th century, right after the Normans took control of the region. It's not just a church, it's a silent witness to almost 1,000 years of history. You'll notice the thick limestone walls and small windows, classic features of Romanesque architecture, designed more for strength and defense than for decoration. But the details are in the arches, the columns, and the symmetry. Simple but powerful. Inside, the crypt is one of the most fascinating parts. It holds the relics of 3 patron saints of Bisceglie: Maurus, Sergius, and Pantaleon. These were early Christian martyrs whose bones were brought here from the east, adding a layer of spiritual importance to the whole region. We were lucky to step inside and feel the calm and stillness. Even after all these centuries, it feels incredibly sacred. A short walk from the cathedral is where we found the historic port, still one of the beating hearts of Bisceglie. This harbor has been used for centuries by fishermen and traders, and even today you'll spot colorful boats gently bobbing in the water. It's peaceful now, but can you imagine this place back in the day? Full of merchants, cargo ships, and local fishermen returning with their morning's catch. We heard that here, still in the early morning, you'll witness local fishermen preparing their nets or bringing crates of fresh seafood. It's part of everyday life, and it adds this authentic touch that's getting harder and harder to find in coastal towns. Places like Bisceglie are not your typical tourist destination, and that's exactly why we loved it. We were lucky to stay with our friend Nico's family, who gave us a window into everyday life here. There's something really special about discovering a town when you're with locals, because it brings your vacation to a whole new level. This is when you truly disconnect and dive deeper into the experience. After a great morning of discovering Bisceglie, it was time for some R&R. Beaches in and around Bisceglie are known for their clear water and rocky coastlines, a typical feature of Puglia's Adriatic side. You won't find white sand here, but you'll get amazing swimming spots, especially at places like Spiaggia La Salata or Salsello Beach. After a few hours of relaxing on the beach, we headed back to get ready for dinner, which was mostly prepared by Nico's mom. Yum, real local Italian food. This was the cherry on top of the entire day. And besides home-cooked meals, one of the best parts of traveling with locals is that you never worry about where to eat. They just know. That said, be sure to check out next week's vlog for a very different restaurant experience. After a restful night, we slept in and took it easy the next morning. Now with a home base in the region of Puglia, we ran a handful of day trips here and managed to visit great parts. In a few moments, we'll show you the Castellana Caves. But stay tuned for upcoming vlogs where we'll unveil even more hidden gems from this region. I'm all ears when it comes to learning new travel facts. And with a little digging, I discovered that Puglia literally means land without rain in Latin. Moreover, it's one of the driest parts of Italy. And on the practical scale, what it lacks in rain, it makes up for in sunshine, food, and incredible views. Next on the discovery list, Nico is leading us 60 minutes southeast from Bisceglie, all the way to the Castellana Caves, which are one of Italy's largest and most spectacular cave systems. They stretch over 3 kilometers, with underground passages, vast chambers, stalactites, and a famous area called White Cave, Grotte Bianca, known for its pure crystalline formations. The cave system was discovered in 1938. One year later, a tourist path was established, and the caves opened for guided public tours. Although, this ancient underground system was formed over 90 million years ago by water erosion and limestone rock. And to think that this destination wasn't even on our list of places to visit. We were told they don't allow filming inside the caves.
So this is as far as we can go, taking pictures or videos. But this is actually a really nice room. Inside you actually have some really narrow passages, and then you have like these big openings like this one, but then nothing with like an open sky. And then you see like all these like stalactites, stalagmites everywhere. You have these like small areas too with like a bit of water, some stuff that looks like crystal just kind of popping out. It's very amazing, very impressive. If you're feeling, actually Ellie feels a bit claustrophobic sometimes in caves, and she didn't feel claustrophobic here because we had a lot of these big openings over here. But they actually ask you as soon as you walk in if you feel like you don't feel comfortable and you want to leave. They ask that, and then they escort you actually. So anyway, we're gonna show a bit of footage, a little bit that we have, but we definitely highly recommend that you come here. And I'm gonna use the rest of my time taking some pictures because I think they're gonna ask us to leave soon. So, ciao.
So we couldn't catch footage of the White Cave. We were only allowed to film near the entrance, which we'll demonstrate here. It was a bit disappointing at first, but then we realized it was kind of a gift, because it forced us to be present and pay attention to every single detail. The views are out of this world. Well, that's all we have for the program today, but do stay tuned to discover more local hidden gems from the region. Welcome back! Bisceglie was the perfect home base for us in the Puglia region. Plus, we felt truly blessed to have been guided by locals, who ended up showing us the Castellana Caves. And if you like that visual, wait until you see what's coming next. Hint, the truly town of Alberobello. Again recommended by locals. If you're enjoying this journey with us, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, because more Puglia destinations are coming up. Ciao!